Hi there, welcome to GrainTV. It's the 1st of December, a Tuesday. Let's take a look at the grain hedge trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn was up 1.5 cents a bushel, while beans, yet again, a leader to the upside, gaining 8 cents a bushel after yesterday's 8-cent advance, and wheat in Chicago was off 4 cents a bushel, continuing to come under selling pressure. Let's take a look at soybeans on the chart. We talked about this a week ago on Monday when we had that key reversal, and we have seen nothing but buying ever since then, and today was no exception. We did have a little bit of a dip in the close. We were up as high as 8.91 on January beans, but did back off a little bit as a result of some selling pressure at the end. But overall, this is a market that seems to be turning around. We're looking at quite a bit of short covering going on here. We have shorts that are very large right now, and we're starting to see some of them move to the exits and take some of those shorts off the table. I'm pointing out this 924. That's the most recent high we have going back to mid-October. That's where I'm sort of thinking we're going to see a potential upside target here. You know, certainly the fundamentals haven't changed that much, but we continue to have good export volume, and so I think, you know, in the near term, in the next month, this is probably a market that's got some more room to run to the upside. If you want to talk about trading strategies or what to do with your cash grain, by all means, give us a call at Grain Hedge. I'd be happy to talk to you and see what kind of strategies may work well for you in this kind of short covering rally. Let's take a look at some of the other news today. There wasn't much news going on other than really in the wheat market, where we got some nice news overnight where Australia lowered their crop production forecast for wheat, coming in just below 24 million metric tons. Now that's quite a bit different than what USDA has pegged right now at 26 million metric tons in their latest supply and demand numbers. So that's somewhat bullish, but didn't do much for the market today. The other news that continues to sort of be an underlying supportive factor is the problems in Ukraine. You know, Ukraine is pretty much all but done with their winter wheat planting. They ended this season with only 91% of their crop planted. So you're looking at about a 10% loss in acres just as a result of the inability for the farmers there to plant because of dry conditions. And so that alone is somewhat supportive. And even if you look at sort of normal yield potential for that crop, you're probably penciling in around a 21 million metric ton crop for Ukraine this next season. That compares to 27 million metric tons that they had this time last year. So that's a really big wild card yet to be played out. So even with normal weather, they're going to be short next year, which is obviously supportive for the world wheat market. On the other side, Russia has turned it around a little bit in the last month. Their crop is starting to look a little bit better. In fact, their condition ratings are actually improved over last year. So that may offset some of the problems in Ukraine, but we still got a lot of growing season left. Speaking of wheat, USDA's winter wheat planting condition report showed a big jump of 2% in terms of that good to excellent rating. So that was obviously on the minds of traders as they continue to push down that wheat market. That's all we got on GrainTV. Join us tomorrow when we'll be talking about EIA's ethanol production numbers. Have a great day.